Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Hari Om. Apavargapradah. Apavarga literally means moksha, emancipation or freedom. And the one who provides it is Lord Shiva. Apavarga means freedom of the Jeeva, freedom from the cycle of birth and death, which happens by freedom from ignorance. The one who gives us self-knowledge, through which the ignorance of the self is destroyed, is Lord Shiva. And hence he is called Apavargapradah. In the Sankhya Sutras also it is said, Jnanena apavargah. It is by knowledge alone that one gets liberation. Apavarga is the symbol of bondage. Varga here means class, and Apavarga in Sanskrit means the class consonant of Pa. Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. This is called Apavarga. Each alphabet of this varga is symbolic of one aspect of bondage. Pa means Paraabhava, which means defeat, sadness, disappointment. The one who brings the Jiva out of the defeat, who helps the Jiva to succeed, not only in the achievements in the world, but ultimately we are every moment being defeated by our own ego, our own attachments. One who helps us to rise above this ego and attachments is the Supreme Lord, because he is the very embodiment of detachment and vairagya. Pha means phala, the results of our action, karma phala. These results of the action are punya and papa, and to experience these results, we take birth again and again. So what binds us is the karma phala asakti, insistence on the particular result, and then the experience of that result demands many births. One who frees us from both the attachment to the results, where we learn to understand that Bhagwan is the giver of the result, so we do our best and leave the rest. We do not insist on the result. And ultimately, who helps us to give up the sense of doership, so that new bodies we don't need to take. As long as I am the doer, I have to be the enjoyer, for which I have to take new bodies. But when I am not the doer, then I am no more the enjoyer. I know that Bhagwan is the karta and Bhagwan is the bhokta. With that spirit, when one acts, actions don't bind that person, and that person through contemplation goes beyond the ego. So Pa means Paraabhava, Ha means phala, karma phala, Ba is bandhan. Whatever binds us, inhibits us, restricts us, the ignorance of the self and the resultant body identification, these two are the source of bondage. One who gives self-knowledge and one who himself is beyond body identification and who lifts the Jiva out of body identification is Lord Shiva. Helps the Jiva to master the body, mind, intellect, and then transcend the attachment to the body, mind, intellect to wake up to the absolute truth. That is Lord Shiva. So he is the destroyer of bandhan. He destroys the Paraabhava, sadness, disappointment. He destroys the karma phala asakti and janma mrityu samsara. He is the one who destroys bandhan, which is avidya and dehatma bhav. Bha symbolizes bhaya, fear. When we are attached, when we have body identification, when we don't know who we are, then there will definitely be fear. As long as we are in duality, there will be fear. Vitiyadvai bhayam bhavati. As long as we think this body is real and the world is real, there is duality. And it will cause fear. And we are afraid of so many things in the world. Biological fears are there, fear of being hurt, fear of diseases, fear of accident, fear of death. Emotional fears are there, fear of losing, fear of rejection, fear of criticism, fear of loneliness. Intellectual fears, fear of failure, fear of what people will say, fear of compromise. Spiritual fears, fear of death, fear of God. Financial fears, we may lose our money, the wealth that we have acquired, the things that we have. Social fears, people may not like me, people may leave me. Many types of fears are there, and every single moment one lives in fear. Why? Because we think we are this limited individuality. Jeevam jnatva bhayam vahet. As long as I think I am a Jiva, I will live in fear and sorrow. Atmabodh says that. The one who blesses us with self knowledge and makes us completely fearless. Abhaya pratishtham vindate. That is Lord Shiva in the form of the Guru. And Ma is mrityu, is death. Death meaning change. Every minute, so many things are changing inside us, outside us. We are constantly affected by the change. The Lord is Mrityunjayaha, one who is changeless, who is beyond death, and who helps us to experience that changeless state, the state of Mrityunjaya. Hence, the Lord is the destroyer of all these five, which are causes of sorrow, which are bondage. Paraabhava, phala, bandhan, bhaya, and mrityu. May the Lord help us to come out of all these five and experience that state of Apavarga, which is the final beatitude, which is the state of absolute bliss. May we come to experience that.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.